Vole Jacob superb. They're one of the rare birds found in the world today. They were first discovered in 1930 by Ernest Mayr, and the Vole Jacob is a subspecies of the birds of the paradise. They are endemic to the Birdhead Peninsula of Indonesian New Guinea. This bird mostly feed on fungals, worms, arthropods, fruits, insects, and seeds. The adults can grow to a length ranging between 25 to 26 centimeters long and can weigh up to 105 grams. The Vole Jacob superb have a lifespan of about 5 to 8 years.